Namaste. In this video, I'm going to talk about a very important topic which has been recently asked by a client of mine. He was very curious and he asked me, I am able to earn money but I'm not able to become filthy rich. I'm not going to that level which I've expected in my life. Though I'm doing a business, though I'm investing a lot, though I'm doing whatever you're saying, that great jump is not happening. So in this video, I'm going to talk about a very important aspect, which is how to become completely easily rich energy wise. I'm not giving you techniques, but the very important thing which people have to understand is when you want to earn a lot of money, there are two aspects for it. One is the aspect of doing remedies, another is the aspect of changing your habits. Why I am saying habits is that also influences a lot in earning money. So the very first thing I check when a person wants to become very successful in finances is the Rudramsa chart. So the Rudramsa is the D11 divisional chart, and generally what happens is when we look at the Rudramsa chart, it gives a clear picture whether the person will become very rich or not. So if a person's second and 11th lord in the Rudramsa chart is strong, then it means yes, they are going to become very successful. If a person's second and 11th lord is say very weak, then the person will not be very successful in the financial growth. Similarly, we have to do a lot of remedies for the second and 11th lord from the Rudramsa. So if you want, you can connect and ask the remedies. Simultaneously, the giving and receiving should improve. So I had a client, he's my client for a long number of years. He's not a Indian, but he's abroad. He has 2-3 family businesses. He's really doing well. Suddenly what happened is business started shrinking and cracking down. And it's a family business run for 3-4 generations. And they are one particular distributor in an entire place. So what happened is he asked, why am I having this issue and this issue? So we started doing remedies, and similarly, I asked him few questions. Are you able to pay the money on time? Are you giving people more than what they ask? Are you giving them bonus? Are you taking care of them? Or are you making them ask for money again and again and then only giving money? He said few answers. With that, I figured out that his giving is very bad. So if you see, the people who earn money quickly generally have a very strong giving. They take care of everybody well, they give a lot of money. If they go in auto, the auto person asks 100, they give 200. They don't bargain, and generally they have a lot of giving. They help the drivers, children study, they help everybody study. I'm just giving you as an example. In contrary, if you see the Rudramsha is weak, Ekadashamsha is weak, the person's giving is always bad. They make vendors, they make everybody wait. I know a company who used to pay the salary after 15th of that particular month, and all the employees will get so tensed. It's a very famous media company and it got closed also in 2-3 years. So that giving and receiving will definitely show a huge impact. So that is why I'm saying is give a lot, do remedies. That is a perfect combination for you to become quite rich. Giving is something which is not to be thought now. You also know inside your soul that you have to give. But generally people hold on to money. If suppose you have to pay the milk guy, they don't pay. They make him ask 2-3 times and then only pay. So all these adds up in people feeling bad for you. That even affects to the negative affliction. That's how the affliction goes. So if you want any detailed consultation, you can always get in touch and also visit my website. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.